Hey, what's up? Welcome to the laziest video known to man. I'm gonna show you 6 of the easiest lip looks and shapes. For the first look, I'm using this orange glossy liquid lip from Etude House. I just apply most of it to the middle of my lips and then blend it out into like basically a circle on the front part of my lips. And then I conceal the corners of my lips. Second look, I'm using Retro Matte Lip from MAC Cosmetics. I only put it in like the center of the bottom lip and then underneath that little like nubby thing on your lips, the pointy part. I don't know, it doesn't dry that matte in my opinion, which I kind of like because it's easier for me to blend out, especially for this look. And then I blend it out. It's mostly about making the bottom lip look kind of huge and then having this like accentuated little nubby thing on the top lip. And then blending it out, having it like really soft edges, no harsh edges here. Alright, look number 3. We're like ripping through this. Yeah, first I started by concealing the lips. At this point, Nate was asking me if I want dumplings or Japanese curry for dinner, and I replied yes. And now that you're looking as iconic as Snooki, we want to add this like hot pink. It's actually not a lip liner, it's an eyeliner from NYX. So we've like erased the lips, but now I want to put them back on, but like a distant memory of them. So just lining the bottom lip and then like a hint of the top lip. I'm going in with this duochrome gloss from NYX as well, just to like highlight the middle. Look number 4, I'm using this metallic purple lipstick from Too Faced and applying it to the middle of my lips on the top and the bottom. And then blending the whole thing out. I want this blended galaxy on my lips. And then concentrating it mostly in the middle and then also in the corners of the mouth, and then blending everything out and all the edges are soft. And also just blending slightly over where my lips actually are, just to make them seem a little bit bigger. And yeah, she's shiny. Oh my god, by this point, my lips were in pain. Look number 5, we're going in with this navy blue lip from NYX Cosmetics. Honestly, it was like kind of patchy, and I paused here being like, you're gonna be this patchy the whole time. But we made it work. For this look here, I was going for like a clowny look. For anybody who plays Overwatch, it was giving me like a Junkrat vibe. And yeah, I play as Orisa if anybody wants to play, just putting it out there. Basically, what you need to do is kind of like overline the bottom and top lip in the center, blend it out to the corners of the lips, and drag out to make those pointed clowny lips. Now you're ready to gather up with some juggalos, discuss how magnets work.
Fucking magnets, how do they work?
The nucleus has protons, which are positively charged, and it has neutrons, which have no charge.
For the last look, I'm using a black liquid lip from Fluid Beauty on a lip brush and lining my lips starting like a centimeter in from the corners of my real lips. This doesn't have to be super precise because we're gonna blend it out. And taking some concealer here to block out my real lips, so making that illusion of smaller, rounder lips. I think it's really cute to do kind of like a heart shape at the bottom of the Cupid's bow. And you just go in with the gloss, coating the whole lip. And that's it. Thank you for watching my laziest video yet, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!